okuyimirira ku mmeeza edo.
Natambula ku tibuli antwaye nageza okutuuka mu buli region nga tubona nti kitwala omukisa okwogera n'abantu
basuubira buwanguzi bwereere
kiriko okubuuza
nga mbabona batyaime mu miyembe akamba nina yiga Mariam nguma ne mpiwa wano bapakinga motoka eyo nga muli kubona batyaime motoka eyo bali kugaba sente abantu bali kuba divertinga okubalobera okujja ku venue olw'okubanga obusente de bali kubawa bamala obayikiriza nti baje bamulonde zitenooza nti tikirungi kubanga olunaku nga luno olw'okulonda twakoze campaigns twadimala era mbaire tusuubira nti basobola okupakinga n'emmotoka y'essente divertinga abantu. Of course abantu baide okumpa akalulayi bali kwolesa omuzi omubi eino ogwa corruption ogw'okugulirira abalonzi.
Omuntu bw'aba alina evidence nti wabaidewo ekitamusanusiza ajje mu courts of law. Wano tutuli mu kooti tujje kulonda tuli kulinda ku declaringa winner. Nze nkali kulira ku bya sente. Ebya sente tuli kwogera ku tibidi.
Akoba nti ate tuli kugabanguzi kituufu akalulu Sipiika alina kanji no Right Honorable Sipiika Kadaga alina akalulu kanji ne Namutumba era kikeetagisa nakoba nti kugaba sente ate ekyokuba mu motoka kubanga yeena muva ku interviewinga nga ali mu motoka tukitwale nti mu motoka mwali aligabira mu sente.
There is a vice chairman who left and joined the government to work. He is now working as a cow, but they have put a name called Onene. Has already voted. So these elections, they are not free and fair because they are being conducted with the chairman who is already contesting as mayor in Dasso.
Exactly. Now the thing is, the list we have, why we are making this noise, the list we have here of historicals, there are 38 members of Umbale, but there is
to be 5.
Which was approved by the Electoral Commission, Mr. Tango Doi. But the list which we have, another list, the white one, has 42 members. They've just printed that white list and sent it here. Where is it coming from? Now the historicals are 78 members voting. The second thing, they are voting without calling their names. With us here, they are calling us one by one. But with them, they are just going without calling. Why? We want clarification on that. We want clarification on that. Or if not, that they are rigging the votes.
My question is, talk about the dead people who are
the
voting.
dead person is Yahaya was under the entrepreneurs league, which have not voted yet. So where do you get the information?
How come
you join the civil service?
NRM kibiina kinene bufuna obukulembeze obwa waggulu abo obufunye omulimu munene nnyo kubanga tulina abagoberezi bangi nnyo naye abagoberezi abo nga tubalina omulimu omunene nnyo ogwa seeke kulaba nti tubakonsolidatinga tutya tubasigaza tutya nga batuwagira.
Arrangement I've seen, I've liked it. It's very spacious, very good. And as I'm number one to vote, I'll also be number one to win. Western there I will win, Eastern I will win, Central I will win, Northern here I will win. Then you will prove that I am telling them. If I win for the people of Uganda, first thing I'm to start doing is to thank them. I will travel all over the regions and really give a thanksgiving prayer, thank those who voted me.
And we have unanimously all said that Honorable Dr. Bajomunsi be the vice chairperson of Western Region as Kanu District. You know, he's our member of parliament, he's our son, and he's a hard-working man.
Seflaga Beyala, yakwata bendera ku Lwamijwala ne Sembabule Town Council ne Mabinde Gongola Satu. Nevuganya n'omukyala Jole Kasande ne muwangula ye n'akomawo independent. Akati ku listi y'abalonda olwaleero ewali badde Flaga Beyala ow'Emijwala Hajjat Fatuma Namugula waliwo Kasande Jole.
Kalulu katambudde bulungi naye ate era mubaddemu n'ebirumira mubaddemu abantu abadde bagaba ssente kyere
wedda bagaba ssente kyere bagenda bagaba nga n'emmotoka tuziraba abantu bakulu bagenda bagaba tulowooza nti abantu abakulu abamu batulekeddemu okulaasa akole.
Abantu abasinga obungi wano abali ku levo yaffe eno balina kasente era abo abalidderidde obusente bebeera ndowooza bagamba nti kakiro kamusana takola ki tabulamu.